So today we are going to learn the computation of tax liability. For that, one should know what is the meaning of tax liability and one should be aware of slab rates. If we know these slab rates, we can compute the tax liability. So with the few examples, we will try to understand how to compute this tax liability. So first of all, what is this tax liability? Tax liability is the amount owed to the tax authorities by the individual or HUF or company or any firm. So a person have to pay a part of the amount from his income to the tax authorities as the tax liability. So why he have to pay? What is the meaning of tax? I have already discussed this thing in another video. You can go through that. So now coming to the tax slab rate. Under the Income Tax Act 1961, income is categorized into different groups on the basis of income. Each such group is known as tax slab. So tax is charged at different rates on the range of income falling under different slab rates. So why we are following this system means the more the income, the SSC have to pay the more tax liability. The less the income, the person can pay the less tax. So that's the main reason why we are following this system. So for this slab rates, even age is also considered. According to the age and income of a person, the tax slab is divided. So let's see what is the slab rates for the different age. So coming to the slab rates, see for the different categories, the slab rates has been divided. So less than 60 years, these individuals will be called as normal citizens. And 60 to 80 years will be called as senior citizens. And above 80 years will be called as super senior citizens. So see the slab rate, these are the income they are earning and this is the tax liability. So if you can see the first one, less than 60 years, normal citizen, if an individual, that means if individual may be a female or a male, there is no difference for the tax liability. If a person is earning income less than 2,50,000, then the tax liability is nil. So this will be called as basic exemption limit. So for a person who is less than 60 years, the basic exemption limit is 2,50,000. Up to this amount, up to 2,50,000, whatever the income SSC is earning, the tax liability will be nil. Who is the SSC means the person who is paying tax. If he or she who is a normal citizen earning income in between 2,50,000 to 5 lakhs, then the tax liability is 5%. If the the total income is in between 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, the tax liability is 20, and the total income is more than 10 lakhs, then the tax liability is 30%. Now see the senior citizen. The senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 3 lakhs. That means up to 3 lakhs, if a senior citizen is earning the income, up to 3 lakhs, it is nil. If the person is earning in between 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, tax liability is 5%, 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, 20%, more than 10 lakhs, 30% is the tax liability. And see the last category, super senior citizens. For super senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 5 lakhs. That means up to 5 lakhs, whatever the income the individual is earning, it is nil. 5 lakhs to 10 lakhs, if the income is falling under this category, then the tax liability is 20%. If the individual is earning more than 10 lakhs, then the tax liability is 30%. So now we have seen the slab rate for all the three different categories: normal citizens, senior citizens and super senior citizens. But we have special rates also. What is the special rates means? If a person is earning income from long-term capital gains, the tax liability is 20%. It is a flat 20%. Why I am mentioning separately flat here means when I do the examples, you will get to know. So if a person is earning income through any short-term capital gain, which is described under section 111A, it is 15%. And what if a person is earning any income from casual income, then the tax slab rate is 30%. That means a flat 30% we have to pay to the government. So let's see few examples so you can know how to compute this tax liability. So see the first scenario, Mr. A is a person, individual who is having 70 years, has the following income and they are asking us to compute the tax liability. See what is the income he is having. Income from salary is having 4 lakhs and income from house property 1 lakh. That means what is the total income? His total income is 5 lakhs. And what is the age group? His age group is 70 years. So see what is the slab rate for this person. He is which person he is? He is a senior citizen. Up to less than 60 years, the individual will be called as normal citizen. If the age group is in between 60 to 80 years, the person will be called as senior citizen, and above 80 will be called as super senior citizen. So he is a senior citizen and he is having a total income of 5 lakhs. So let's see how to compute the tax liability for this. So see what is the slab rate for the person. His age is 70 years. That means he is coming under the slab rates. If the person is earning income in this scenario, the tax liability will be taken. So what is this? He is earning 5 lakhs. That means his tax liability will be 5%. If you think that the 5 lakhs into 5%, if you compute directly like this, it is a wrong manner. Why means that it is directly they are telling that it is we have to compute in a slab manner. Have to compute in a slab manner. So let's see. So what is the slab rate? They are telling up to 3 lakhs the tax liability will be nil. So what is his total income? His total income is 5 lakhs. In that 5 lakhs up to 3 lakhs it is nil. So we have to take it as nil. And after that, after 3 lakhs, what is the slab rate? 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs. What is the tax liability? 5%. From 3 lakhs to 5 lakhs, how much is the total income we are having? See the difference. 5 lakhs minus 3 lakhs. How much we are having? 2 lakhs. That 2 lakhs will be computed at a 5%. So take 2 lakhs into 5%. How much amount we are getting? 10,000. So 10,000 will be your tax liability. So we have computed the total income. Up to 5 lakhs is the total income. We have computed the tax liability. That means his total tax liability is 10,000. His total tax liability is 10,000. So how to compute tax liability means we have to compute the tax liability of an individual on the slab rate basis, not directly. So this is how we have to compute the tax liability. So let's see another. See, Mr. B, 65 years old, has the following income and they are asking us to compute the tax liability. 65 means which scenario he will be called as? He will be called as senior citizen. So senior citizen, what is the basic exemption limit? Basic exemption limit is up to 3 lakhs. See what all the income he is having. Income from house property 2 lakhs. Income from long-term capital gain 2 lakhs. Income from salary 50,000. So income from long-term capital gain, I said it is a special rate. We have to give the tax liability at a flat rate of 20%. So other things other than this long-term capital gain, house property and salary, we have to compute the tax liability on a slab rate. So let's see what is the total income. What is his total income? His total income is 4,50,000. In 4,50,000, how much is the special rate income we are having? 2 lakhs. So in that we have to take that special rate income separately. So 2 lakhs is the special rate income. It is taxable at a flat rate of 20%. Flat rate means directly on 2 lakhs we have to compute 20%. That means we will get a tax liability of 40,000, and in 4,50,000 we have already taken 2 lakhs separately. That means what is the balance amount left? 2,50,000. This 2,50,000 we have to compute in a slab rate. What is the slab rate for this person? He is a senior citizen. So see the slab rate. So up to 3 lakhs it is nil. From 3 lakh to 5 lakh 5%, 5 lakh to 10 lakh 20, above 10 lakh 30%. So let's see how much income is left over with him. So his total income now is 2,50,000. This should be calculated on slab rate, where the basic exemption limit for this person is up to 3 lakhs. It is nil. That means under the slab rate he is getting a nil tax, whereas under the flat rate he is getting 40,000. Now what is the total tax liability he have to pay to the tax authorities? 40,000 only. So this is how we have to compute the tax liability when you get any special rate scenario, and this one will talk about where we don't get any special rate income. The total income we have to total it, and we have to compute the tax liability according to the slab rate directly. Whenever you will get any different scenario, that means special rate tax you will get, after totaling the income you have to take that special rate separately, and after that taking the balancing amount what you will get, you have to compute it separately. So this is how we have to compute the tax liability in the case of individuals.